Hey there, gaming enthusiasts. Welcome back to the UK Pro Reviewer channel. Today, we've got something truly exciting to discuss, the SteelSeries Apex Pro HyperMagnetic gaming keyboard. If you're on the quest for the ultimate gaming keyboard that offers unprecedented customization, speed, and control, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll delve into its innovative features, OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches, rapid trigger technology, ultimate adjustability, OLED smart display, USB pass-through, and much more. So, let's dive in. Let's kick things off by exploring the standout features of the SteelSeries Apex Pro. This keyboard is not just fully customizable, it's stupidly fast, thanks to the OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches. These switches are designed to be 20 times faster in actuation and provide an 11 times faster response compared to traditional mechanical keyboards. Now, what sets this keyboard apart is its OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches. These switches achieve near-instant response with magnetic sensors. It's like having the Speed Force at your fingertips, making it a game-changer for gamers looking to gain a competitive edge. Say goodbye to latency with the rapid trigger technology of the Apex Pro. It eliminates delays caused by the physical movement of traditional switches by dynamically activating and deactivating keys based on travel distance. Your keystrokes register where you want them to, precisely and quickly. Precision and customization are key in gaming, and the Apex Pro delivers both. With 40 levels of per-key actuation ranging from 0.1 mm to 4.0 mm, you have complete control over how your keys respond. Set WASD for lightning-fast movements and your ability keys for deep presses, ensuring you never accidentally trigger special abilities. Stay in control with the OLED smart display. It provides vital information at a glance, such as GPU stats, notifications, and profile settings. Customization goes even further with the SteelSeries Engine app, allowing you to fine-tune your gaming experience. Convenience is paramount, and the Apex Pro doesn't disappoint. It offers a USB pass-through, allowing you to connect additional USB-A devices effortlessly. Whether it's a flash drive, wireless dongle, or any other USB device, you can now plug them in with ease. Durability matters, and the Apex Pro is built to last. Its Series 5000 top plate is made from aircraft-grade aluminum alloy, the same material used in jets. This ensures enhanced durability and a premium feel that matches its exceptional performance. In conclusion, the SteelSeries Apex Pro hypermagnetic gaming keyboard is more than just a keyboard, it's a game-changer. With OmniPoint 2.0 adjustable hypermagnetic switches, rapid trigger technology, ultimate adjustability, an OLED smart display, USB pass-through, and aircraft-grade build quality, it's a force to be reckoned with in the gaming world. If you're ready to take your gaming experience to new heights, check out the links in the description below to get your hands on the SteelSeries Apex Pro. And if you found this video informative and exciting, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the UK Pro Reviewer channel for more in-depth product reviews and gaming insights. If you have any questions or thoughts about this gaming keyboard, feel free to share them in the comments section. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.